A warm welcome from me here at Sepang International Circle, where we have met 1 year ago to introduce the A45 and A45 to you. Today I'm more than happy to introduce to you this hot range of models here, which is our refreshing A-Class facelift family in Malaysia. Yes, the A-Class, you know, is fitting to the theme, a class for every day, your perfect companion for your everyday driving needs. Be it cruising in the city, driving to the office, or just a nice shopping trip, this car has everything you want from a Mercedes-Benz. And we are very happy to introduce to you the refreshed and refined lineup here for all of the A-Classes facelift family. Two changes are that they come with a new design. The rear light and the tail lights have a new design. The front bumper as well as the radiators grills have been renewed. All of the cars come with diffusers in the rear end mount, and one of the most prominent new things is that all of the vehicles have power doors now, even our entry model A200 Progressive Line. For the interior, all of the models now carry our latest steering wheel generation with capacitive touch buttons, as well as the latest generation of MBUX telematics generation 7, which brings along, for example, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, augmented reality for navigation. Let me walk you a little bit through the models. The A200 Progressive Line has been refined, you see already with the power domes, as well as with 17-inch 5 twin-spoke wheels which we put on the car for a greater driving comfort. In the interior we changed the trim part to a dark carbon fiber look trim part. For the A250, this is probably the most changed model because you notice the 4Matic badge on the A250. We will introduce the A250 4Matic here as a replacement of the previous 4x2 variant. So that means it comes with a torque on demand all-wheel drive. The engine itself comes now as a mild hybrid engine with a belt-driven starter generator in the car that adds another 10 kilowatt and 150 newton meters of torque with the EQ boost. On top, we changed the transmission from a 7-speed transmission to an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission with facelift of A250 4Matic. Well, finally, let me draw your attention to the A45 4Matic Plus here in the center. All of you know it's our top performer and top performer probably among all brands in the compact sports car segment. It embodies impressive driving performance and state-of-the-art technology. The engine remains as it is extremely powerful at 310 kilowatt hours. You recognize I'm already full EV. 310 kilowatt, meaning 421 horsepower, 500 newton meter of torque. It accelerates from 0 to 100 in sensational 3.9 seconds. And specifically in Malaysia here, we have the AMG driver's package always as a national standard in the car, and that means the top speed is raised to 270. What else to say? For the A45, we will also bring in a limited special edition, which is the AMG Street Style Edition. And this AMG Street Style Edition will come with slightly different spec. It will bring 19-inch matte black forged wheels, and it will come in an exclusive AMG mountain grey magno color, as well as with specific foliation. I'm pretty sure you will see the car later on display here and can take the pictures. Finally, you will ask yourself, okay, what do our customers have to pay for the facelift pricing? I'm proud to announce that the prices for the price for the A200 Progressive Line is 238,000 ringgit. So that's a 3,000 ringgit on top of the two-facelift car. Our A250 4Matic is yet pending the government price approvals, but we estimate the pricing to start from 264,000 ringgit. And the AMG A45 4Matic Plus will cost 509,888 for the standard variant. The special edition one comes at 30,000 ringgit more, 533,000. With that, I thank you very much for your attention. I wish you a wonderful day and enjoy the driving experience next.